A scalable system or process is one that can grow in its size and capacity to meet demanding increases. Basically, so what I'm trying to say is that instead of recreating the system each time you want to introduce something, you just create a system in a way that you can add stuff in without the need to create anything else or recreate the existing code, I mean. But the system itself looks something like this. Yeah, obviously the enemy still needs to have some more variations than just run at you and attack. Also, a player should be able to have more attacks than just a simple 1-2-3 combo. I do have both hand attacks implemented, but at this time I did implement effects for the second hand. Also, there's no sounds, no like extreme feeling stuff like camera shake or anything like that. But the system itself looks something like this. So you can use punch attacks, let's say, as a weapon, just for knuckles itself. You can do left and right attacks. You can equip a sword. You're gonna have to change animator for it. But the main system itself remains the same. You can use both hands. So it means you can just go left click, free combo attack, like 1-2-3 combo. With your left hand, you can go 1-2-3 combo with your right hand. And you can even mix those in. For example, gonna go 1-2 with a sword, and then finish the third combo attack with your shield. Yeah, you can mix those. You can equip different items. There's different items for each hand. Let's say the shield only goes to left hand, the sword goes to right hand. There's gonna be some more weapons like two-handed weapons. For example, two-handed axe. That's obviously gonna take both your hands, so in that case you'll have to do something extra, just to somehow go around my system of two-hand availability. Also, the system allows easy work of modifiers, so let's say the bleed attacks, you can add those. For example, the sword can have just a basic modifier. I think going for all weapons gonna have the same modifier, let's say just push back, but like you hit an enemy and goes in, he gets knocked back, no. But also thinking about, let's say, having a mix of those. So the 1-2 for sword and the third sword attack is gonna do a bleed effect. It's gonna leave a bleed effect on the enemy. For the shield, let's say you can have a larger knockback. You can knock back further, so let's say you can defend yourself. So for example, we can find a player here. We can go to its weapon, find the sword, find the third attack. It basically has the bleed low. Open it. We can add bleed time to 50 seconds. We can go back to the player. We can find a sword again. We can apply this bleed to, well, any combo attack we want. We add it and just hit play, and now it's just magically gonna work. Yeah, now after we hit play, we can hit this guy any times we want, and we can stop. We can go to scene view and we can look at him, and now he's bleeding all over. He has multiple bleed hits. Actually, we can check how many does he have. We can find him. He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bleeds at the moment. Obviously, it should damage him, take his health off, but at the moment there is no health, so there's just the actual bleed, which does not that much really, just the visual effects. But you get the idea. It's like very easy to modify this. So with the implementation of interfaces, with scriptable objects, making everything available in the editor, unit editor, you can easily modify anything you want. You can recalibrate it, you can refactor, and it doesn't affect the whole system but just the parts of it. And that's how you build a good system to work on, to scale upon on. If you feel like this is interesting to you, if this is gonna be useful to you, let me know in the comments, and maybe in the next video I can show you how it's done. I can share my code with you. Just let me know what you want to see in the future.